Especially right now, the economy is based on attention. We are in a space of attention right now. Ang tao, napakabilis mawala ng attention. In fact, sa Twitter alone or your TikTok, it only takes 3 seconds to capture attention. Ganon ka-demanding ang attention right now. So therefore, if you have ideas like that, your goal is how to attract attention, how to get people to see what you're seeing. Why? Kasi that's the biggest commodity right now. How can I get attention so that I get to be heard? And what's sad right now with social media, sometimes we get attention in the wrong way. Just to get attention, people will do crazy things. And it saddens me to see people, young people for that matter, get attention in the wrong way. So if you're one of those who feel you have something to contribute, get attention in a way that it doesn't compromise who you are, especially yung sinishare kanina yung values, because you do have the idea. And ang goal natin, how do I bring that idea to the space where it is recognized for what it is, not because for what I do about it.